Okay, so I'm back in Puerto Rico, round 2. I didn't film any of my trip back from the UK because I actually came down with the flu. It took me about 4 or 5 days to recover. I was just out for the count. So why am I here? So a company, Wind Voyager, contacted me about making a promotional video. Wind Voyager is essentially a high-end travel and tourism company. Basically, they run charters all across the globe in pursuit of wind and incredible activities. So Wind Voyager decided to branch into a new territory called Wind Voyager World Tours. They take that same philosophy of high-end travel and kiteboarding and action sports instruction, and they take it to other land-based destinations. And the first stop was Puerto Rico. That's all come to an end now, and since I've pretty much seen most of Puerto Rico, I figure why not go somewhere new? So next I'm going to Hawaii. I'm gonna stop off in San Diego to see a friend, and then we'll be on West Coast Paradise. Let's go. So I made it to sunny San Diego. It's a little chillier than I was expecting, especially coming from Puerto Rico, but I'm here. It's early in the morning and my friend Lindsay has to go to law school. So I'm out exploring and I found this wonderful thing. I'm really late on this, but these things, it's the first time I've ever tried them, these scooters, and I was like, well, hey, if I'm trying to explore the city, what better way to do it than on a scooter? So they're kind of weird to ride, but it allows me to cover so much more ground. It's like $1 to unlock the thing and then 15 cents a minute. And so far they seem pretty cool. I can see how e-transportation is so appealing to people. I'm gonna rip around and explore a little bit more of the city, see what San Diego has to offer.